Hello everyone, my name is Sneer Rozenfeld and I am the Vice President of Sales at Cyber 2.0. I will giving you a sales training today about the Cyber 2.0 sales pitch, and I will explain what do we do and how do we do it. So Cyber 2.0, hacking cannot be stopped, but the spreading can be. So the problem as we see it is the main damage is not the attack against the first computer, but the spreading of the malicious software within the organization. From the spreading comes the real attack. Now, the way we saw it is all the companies, the big ones and the small ones, no matter what, if a hacker targets you, you will eventually be able to penetrate the first computer. Now, the way we see it is that the first computer may be penetrated, but once you install our system will isolate the attack and block its spreading. We will also stop the infected computer from sending information to the internet or connecting its creator, even if the infection was prior to the Cyber 2.0 installation. We can stop all sort of attack, viruses, ransom, Trojans, browser hijacking, information leakage, and new and every unknown attack. Now let's understand a bit how we do it. When we saw the cyber world, we saw that the cyber world, all my colleagues and all the other companies are based on biological models. And biological models, by their nature, are vulnerable to attacks still coming from the same biological models. In order for us to get out of this circle and to give a defense that is not based on biology, we headed out to mathematics. And our system is based on the chaos mathematic model. And the model cannot be breached, not even by us. The existing solutions, let's see what they do and how they fail in stopping the attack. All the solutions in cyber world today and in defense system today are based on the same manner, detection, prevention. First, you try to detect and recognize every malicious and every attack there is, and then you try to prevent it. Now, it is commonly known that there can never be 100% detection, because a zero-day attack, by its nature, is unknown, and if I don't know it, if I cannot detect it, then I cannot prevent it. Furthermore, the defense systems today are good as long as they are active. Once I disable the defense system, you are no longer protected, and the hacker can do whatever he wants with the organization. We address that challenge, and we are able to give defense against the spread of cyber attack, including new and unknown ones within and outside organizational network. We don't have to rely on detection, and the blocking is done without having to first detect the attack or the malicious software. And we build our system in a manner that even if you remove our software from the infected computer, we continue protecting the network. Cyber 2 unique solution is based on chaos mathematical model, and if you want to have more information about it, you can see our chaos movie that explains the mathematics of chaos. Give us a call. We will not block you. If you want more information, if you want to understand better the technology, we are available for you.